Want to enjoy fresh strawberries from your garden? Growing strawberries is easy and rewarding. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know. First, let's understand what makes strawberries special. Strawberries are delicious, versatile, and packed with nutrients. They're great for smoothies, desserts, or just as a snack. Now let's dive into growing them step by step. Start with choosing the right type of strawberry. There are three main types: June-bearing, ever-bearing, and day-neutral. June-bearing produces one large crop, while ever-bearing and day-neutral give fruit throughout the growing season. Next, select a suitable location. Strawberries need at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. Choose a spot with well-drained soil to prevent root rot. Prepare your soil. Strawberries thrive in slightly acidic soil, ideally pH 5.5 to 6.5. You can test soil acidity using a pH kit. Amend the soil with compost or well-rotted manure before planting. Now it's time to plant. Space your strawberry plants about 18 inches apart. Dig a hole and place the plant, ensuring the crown is above soil level. Cover the roots gently and water thoroughly. Watering is crucial. Keep soil consistently moist but not soggy. Drip irrigation is ideal as it delivers water directly to the roots. Let's talk about fertilizing. Use a balanced fertilizer in early spring. Follow package instructions to avoid over-fertilization, which can harm the plants. Pest control is essential for healthy strawberries. Watch for aphids, spider mites, and slugs. Use organic pesticides or natural deterrents to protect your plants. Finally, harvesting strawberries is the most satisfying part. Pick them when they are fully red. Gently twist the berry off the stem. Don't pull or yank. Throughout this journey, remember a few key points. Choose the right type. Ensure sunny spots. Prepare soil well and keep plants watered and healthy. Now you have all the tools to grow strawberries successfully. Ready to start your strawberry garden? Plan your planting dates today and enjoy fresh fruits soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!